Welcome to week 23, assignment 2. We only have 2 assignments this week because assignment 1 was pretty long. But assignment 2, we will be doing typing this week. So what you need to do is, if you go to assignment 2, this is the video you're watching. Assignment 2, it tells you you're going to do 2 levels of the game. That is, it's not really a game, but of the practice. And then there's a 5-question quiz. So, and you need to remember you should be practicing typing. So you can go to level 1, and basically you need to read what you are doing and why you are doing it. And the reason being is the 5-question quiz. This is where the questions came from, right here, is in this area. So you're going to just click here and you're going to start typing. You're going to go all the way through. And then once you are done, you can either click here to go to assignment or level 2. Same thing, you need to read this stuff, and so that you can take the quiz. If you miss anything on the quiz the first time, you can take it a second time, and it should show you the correct answers after the first time if it really has you stumped. But I'm trying to keep you accountable. I cannot be there seeing you type. And if you want to cheat and tell me you did it and answer the questions, you are not cheating me, you are cheating you. So, and if we ever do get on campus together, and you say you're typing 42 words a minute and you're only typing 14, I'll know. So basically that's what you need to do, is do these 2 typing levels, and then if you go back to assignment 2, there is a, like I said, it's 5 questions, and you can take the quiz. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, message me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have a wonderful week. And remember, we don't have school next Monday. We have off for President's Day. So, have a great week if I don't talk to you. And remember to practice and stay safe.